Hello and welcome back to Think Code and More. So yes, I know that I haven't posted a video in a while, and here in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a camera or your camera on your iOS or Android device through Xamarin Forms and in Xamarin. So yeah, let's get to it. Here I had recently just created a blank project with not a blank project, sorry, a project using Xamarin Forms, and well, it's a mobile app when you see that, and you save it wherever you would like. And I added just like a small template, the flyout template, and here I am inside the Open Camera Android. I called it Open Camera, and I opened the assemblyinfo.cs. So here, before we get started on anything, we want to make sure that we get a few specific features, and let's just add it right here. So now here, these are permissions needed to actually write external storage and save the image in the cache of your app, and actually open the camera, autofocus, and stuff like that. So we need that for Android, and for iOS, it's a bit different. So what I'm gonna do is open this up for iOS, and I'm gonna right click on info.plist, and I'm actually gonna click open with, and I'm gonna search up, or not search up, I'm gonna look for XML text editor with encoding, and I'm gonna open. Auto detect, yep, that's fine. So now we have this, and what I'm gonna add here, I'll just pull it up myself. So we are going to add just a few things for I'm pretty sure it's NS camera usage description, and we're gonna add it down here where we have a bunch of keys and strings. So here we have just this is what I added. This is to use the camera, this is to use your microphone, this is to use the photo library, and this is also for photo library as well. So now that we've added our specific permissions, let's go into, okay, so actually in a new project, it's going to be in the about page, which I have open here, and it should be in views. Yep, about page. And in this we have our learn more and our button and all of that. So let's find our button here. Content view. We do have an image here, which I guess that's good to know. I'm pretty sure that is this image. So we can use that, but I think we'll create a new image. Let's first shorten a lot of this. So we have a scroll view, which has most of our stuff. Here we have the Xamarin logo thing. So instead of any source, I think I'm going to just go down here, and here's the, yep, making changes, blah, blah, blah. Then you have this button right here. Okay, so what is it called? Or, yeah. Let's create a name for it, though. Whoops. And let's call it, open camera, or let's do btn open camera. And we'll also change this open web command to open camera. And we're going to go to the CS page for this. And how, or at least we should have this. And we have like the binding here. We're going to add that into our CS file as well. So, and I forgot to do this. X name equals. So now that we have that, and we have what it's called and all, we have its binding. So now, let's go into the CS like file for this, and we're actually gonna add a few things in this. First of all, we're gonna add two different functions. Let's go here, here, and then okay. Let's add this into a class here. Okay, so now, as you can see, we have a bunch of errors. So what we're actually gonna do is, let's see, manage NuGet. We have Xamarin Essentials. Manage user secrets. Oh, whoops. It's still running. That's what it was. So now I can go here, manage NuGet packages for solution. So now this will add NuGet packages to the entire solution. And what we're going to search for is, let's see, it is called, well, actually, we should probably have it. It's in Xamarin Forms, or Xamarin Essentials, sorry. We have this, and is it installed? I'm pretty sure it's installed. Yeah, these are all updates that just need to be done. But yeah, with these, now we're also gonna add here using Xamarin essentials. So now most of these should like go away, but things like photo path and all, these are all things that we'll have to add. So photo path is one thing that we're gonna have to add, and we're gonna add it as a property at the top of our thing, and that's gonna be like right here. Now that we have that photo path stuff is all done, now we have this load photo async and all, and task. So let's see, using system learning tasks, and now most of that should be done. Using system.io. Okay, so now we don't have any errors at the moment. So we're also going to, let's see, there's nothing that we have to add in our constructor, which is up here, but we are going to add a small, or not too small, but a function, which is going to be called, or first let's add it though. So this goes down to here. So btn take photo clicked. What did we call our thing? We called it just open btn open camera, and then open camera. So let's add this in here, like, and so that's the name. We also have to add clicked. And now here, let's add their name, btn open camera clicked. And now let's copy this and paste it right here. So now we have all this like photo, all of this stuff. This is all from previous like code. And this. So here we have photo image. I just want to make sure. So here we have photo image, and that photo image is what I'm gonna change this Xamarin logo to. If let's see, yeah, Xamarin logo. I'm gonna just delete basically all of this. X name is equal to, and then photo image. Now we've created a photo image here. And now this, yep, the error's gone. So now I'm just going to build this solution and see what happens. Build succeeded. Now if we run, let's see what, let's just see what happens. When you click learn more, it asks, do you want it to take pictures and record video? And do you want to allow access to photos and media? And voila! You have your simulator camera, where you just hold down Alt and then you use the WASD keys plus the Q and E key to go up and down. And yeah, you have this like really cool thing with a very cool cat. So yeah, that's basically it, and that's how you open a camera in Visual Studio Codes, and you can do even more with this by possibly opening like bitmap images. But like once you take the photo, what I'm gonna show you here is take the photo, and there you go. You have your image. It's really that simple. And you can always like maybe click like learn more or whatever your button is. Take another photo, or let's actually take a different photo this time so you can see the difference. Take a photo of this chessboard TV, and then there you have it. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this on iOS development, Xamarin Forms development specifically here. But yeah, bye.